The classroom was unusually silent that day. Not the normal silence where students whisper or pass notes, but a deep, heavy silence, as if the room itself was holding its breath. 30 students sat on wooden benches, books open, pens still, eyes down. No one spoke. Not because the teacher had asked for silence, not because of fear, but because something strange had happened. The blackboard, which was always dusty and dull, was glowing softly, like moonlight trapped inside chalk. The teacher, Mr. Rahman, stood frozen. He hadn't written a word, yet sentences were appearing on the board by themselves. Slowly, quietly. The students stared. The first line appeared. "This classroom knows your thoughts." A boy in the last bench swallowed hard. A girl clutched her notebook. Someone tried to laugh, but no sound came out. Suddenly, a new sentence formed. "Today, no one can speak." Panic spread. Students opened their mouths, but their voices were gone. Mr. Rahman tried to shout. Nothing. Only silence. Then the board changed again. "Listen with your heart." One by one, the chalk began to write names. The first name was Ali. Ali was the class topper, always confident, always proud. Words appeared under his name. "You study to win, not to learn." Ali's face turned pale. He had never said that out loud, but it was true. The next name appeared, Sarah. She was quiet, always sitting near the window. The board wrote, "You are afraid to fail, so you never try." Sarah's eyes filled with tears. She had dreams, but fear kept her silent. Then the name Ayan appeared, the boy in the last bench, worn uniform, borrowed books. The class expected something weak, but the board wrote, "You think you are invisible, but you see everything." Everyone turned back. For the first time, they really looked at him. Ayan's hands trembled. More words appeared. "You help others silently. You sacrifice your dreams quietly. You believe you don't matter." Tears dropped onto his notebook. The classroom felt heavier. Then the final message appeared. "Silence is not empty. It is full of truth." Suddenly, the glow faded. The chalk stopped moving. The board went dark. And just like that, sound returned. A chair scraped. Someone gasped. A student sobbed. No one spoke for a full minute. Then Mr. Rahman finally said, in a broken voice, "This classroom taught us today." He looked at the students. "Marks don't show effort. Silence doesn't mean weakness. And confidence doesn't always mean wisdom." He walked to the last bench. "Ayan, will you come forward?" The class watched. Ayan hesitated, then stood. For the first time, no one laughed, no one whispered. He walked to the front. Mr. Rahman placed a piece of chalk in his hand. "Teach us something," he said. Ayan looked at the board, took a deep breath, and wrote slowly, "Every voice matters, even the quiet ones." The bell rang, but no one moved, because some lessons are louder than sound and stay with you forever. Lesson of the story. Silence doesn't mean emptiness. Every student carries a story, a fear, a dream. Sometimes listening is more powerful than speaking. Subscribe for more interesting stories.